Today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. And we're here in Baytown, Texas. Emergency sirens goes off every Wednesday at 9. 8:59 right now, 1 minute left. And I'm off all week from school from spring break because it's gonna do 1 minute blast any minute now. $8:59. Come on. I'm ready for it. 9. Here we go. It's gonna go off. There it goes. 9. Hello there. It's 9 a.m. Wednesday. It's gonna end now. Here are others. Alright, that was pretty loud. So this is a Federal Signal Modulator 5020. It's officially gone off in Baytown, Texas. Thanks for watching. Peace out.